Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to discuss about what is data engineering, what are the skill sets that you need to be a successful data engineer. So first of all, let's discuss what is data engineering. So you might have heard about the new roles like data science, data analyst, business intelligence engineer, but in past like 1 or 2 years there and especially this year we see that there are many role openings that is for data engineering. There is a great demand for the people who has these skill sets of data engineering. So what exactly a data engineer do? Who are they? What is this data engineering? So let's get started about that. So first of all, you can understand that nowadays, like as we know, industries are storing a lot and lots of data, like historical data and or like real-time data. All these data they are storing. So we knew that there were data scientists, business analysts, and data analysts. They used to work with this data, and based on their business requirement they used to tell about like if someone is a data scientist and they are working on a forecasting model, they used to tell about like they used to forecast some values. But there was one problem while when data scientists or BI engineers or when these people were working. So the main problem that they were facing was that the data that was available to them, that was raw data. It was not clean and it was not readily available in a usable format, so that they can take they have to spend a lot of time on data, and sometimes data was not correct. And like the models they build or the reports they build, like there were flaws because the data was not in a format, was not like data was redundant, so there were many issues with the data. So here comes into the picture, data engineer comes into the picture. So what they do, they convert this raw data into usable format, and to do that they need a required few skill set, because we have like huge data system where we have billions and millions of record. So their job is to make this data readily available for data scientists, BI engineers, data analysts, where this data, so they like they, or you can they move the data. You can consider data engineers as they move the data. So they take the raw data, they move this data to a centralized location, decentralized location, where like other where other data consumers like data scientists, data analysts, or BI engineers, they have this data available like in like data lakes or data warehouses, and they consume that data from this location, and that data is how they want it. And the reports that they build on that, models they build on that, that is usable, that helps the business to make the decisions that is helpful for the business. So this is what data engineers do. But you are someone who is very new to data engineering field and want to learn it from the scratch, then let's see how this looks like for a fresh data engineer. So this is the data engineering roadmap for the beginners. As a beginner, you can start learning SQL. So you can develop your skills in SQL. You can learn basics of Python or Java. Mostly what I have seen is organization are using Python, but there are organizations that use different Java. But in my experience, I have mostly used Python. So you can focus more on Python, and you can learn SQL, you can learn basics of Linux. It is really important. And then you once you have this skills ready and you are good in that, then you can move to learning about data warehouses, data lake concepts. And when you are learning this, it will cover your concepts in ETL, that is extract transform load. Means you extract the data from source system and transform the data, or sometimes you first load the data to the target system. and then transform the data based on your business scenarios and business requirement. You either do ETL or you do ELT. And then you and like nowadays mostly companies use like load their data in form of star schema or snowflake schema. This is what they follow. So you must know about these. And then it's good to know cloud, not good, it's must to learn cloud technologies, because nowadays industries are moving from their legacy systems to cloud technologies like AWS. Either they are using Azure Cloud, Google Cloud. So these are the few technologies which you should learn. And then like to be good at data engineering, you must do an end-to-end DE project. So you can enroll into some boot camps, or you can read some books, data engineering books, or there are many great YouTube videos out there which are available for free. You can like subscribe to those YouTube videos and learn. So as a fresh starting point, you must start with these things, and like while building your data engineering project, you can learn on the go to the project and develop more skills. Let me know in comment section if you want to know more about anything, or if you have any questions related to data engineering or BI engineering field. I will try my best to answer those questions. Thank you.